Level 10, Proficiency. The Tortoise and the Hare. The hare, celebrated for his remarkable swiftness, habitually derided the tortoise, whose slow pace he found laughable. At last, weary of such disdain, the tortoise calmly proposed a contest, a race to determine who would truly prevail. Amused by the idea, the hare accepted, fully convinced of his inevitable triumph. At the starting signal, the hare bolted ahead with dazzling speed, leaving the tortoise far behind. Believing victory assured, he chose to recline beneath a tree, where, lulled by his confidence, he fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise pressed onward at his measured pace, steady and relentless. Time passed, and the tortoise, with unwavering perseverance, crossed the finish line. The hare awoke, darted forward desperately, yet arrived too late. Thus, the timeless fable endures: patience and perseverance may achieve what arrogance and recklessness cannot.